Hey teachers! At Prodigy, we feel it's not only important to keep parents aware of what their children are doing in the classroom, but also to get them involved. That's why we've made printing parent letters simple. Parent letters are personalized documents that contain a student's name and password, information about Prodigy, and instructions for parents on how to create a free Prodigy parent account. To get an up-to-date set of parent letters for your class, take the following steps from your classroom page on your Prodigy Teacher dashboard. First, you'll need to select the class that you'd like to print parent letters for. Next, select Students from the left side of the page. And then click on Get Parent Letters. You'll have two options to choose from: a single PDF that contains every letter, or a zip file with individual parent letters. Since these PDFs have private account information in them, once downloaded, we recommend sharing the letters securely, either by printing them and sharing them physically with parents, emailing individual PDFs to parents directly, through a one-to-one secured digital channel, like in-app messaging. Let's get parents involved in their child's love of learning. Happy teaching!